Today we're going to discuss whether or not you should put your estate planning documents in a bank's safe deposit box. Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where I attempt to discuss an estate planning topic in 2 minutes or less. So let's jump right in. Clients always tell me that after signing their estate plan, they are going straight to their bank and renting a safe deposit box to store their new estate plan. And at a recent seminar, someone there started to recommend putting documents into their safe deposit box. Now, after practicing law for 20 years, I can tell you several horror stories regarding bank boxes. First, did you know there are no federal laws governing bank boxes? And depending on the state that you live in, there may not be any specific rules requiring banks to compensate their customers for their losses. Wow. And as you can imagine, bank deposit agreements are written to favor, guess who? The bank. A judge recently upheld a bank's contract that limited the bank's liability to 10 times the annual rent of the box. Think about that for a second. You have thousands of dollars of gold coins and jewelry, and the bank is only liable for 10 years of rent? The other problem is folks seem to keep the fact that they have a bank box a secret from their family. Can you see where I'm going with this? If you keep your estate planning documents in a safe deposit box and no one knows about it, then it's almost like you don't have an estate plan at all. The family might proceed, your family, on the basis that their deceased relative did not have a plan. So maybe you wanted to give your stuff to just one person or to a charity, but if there's no evidence that you have an estate plan, a court might distribute your assets according to Oklahoma state law instead. A couple of years ago, we got involved in an estate plan in which the personal representative had been trying to get into this deceased bank box for over 10 months. He even had a key to the box, but the bank would not give him access. Now, this estate had a significant amount of money, so whether or not the last will existed was extremely important. It turned out that there was a last will in the box, and it would have been disastrous if the probate had proceeded as if there was not a last will and testament. So, in a previous video, I talked about where to store your estate planning documents in this video right up here that you can check out. But basically, keep your estate planning documents at home, put them in some type of a watertight and fireproof safe. I would make sure that that safe is somehow attached or connected to your house so that it cannot be easily stolen itself out of your house by a thief. Most importantly, the most important is make certain there is a plan in place so that the people who need to access your estate planning documents will have access to it. And don't forget, that also includes your health care information in the event of an accident or hospitalization, and you can't make decisions for yourself. If you have any more questions, then please do not hesitate to give us a call directly or download our estate planning strategies guide in the description section below. And I'll also put a link in the comment section as well. I think this will really help you out. As always, have a great day and a wonderful week. We appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.